we gonna annoy each
Am I
other?
a real boy, Papa?
No.
Why are you watching Octonauts again?
I don't know. I've been thinking about it all day ever since even brought it up. And plus, hear me out. Captain Barnacles, the polar bear.
Bro, literally, you don't need to say them individually. Just like be like everyone,
Yeah.
except for the kids. The kids are kids. The kids are my kids.
The kids are children. Wait, I don't know.
Wait, stop! I'm not gonna forget to buy a Band-Aid this time, because last time I had an entire crash out because of it, remember? And I'm gonna buy a med kit too.
Who do I be? Who do I be?
You should be Scraps or Sylvester.
Who should I be? Make up your mind.
Be Sylvester or
Sorry.
Scraps. Just choose.
Okay, I'm gonna be Scraps because like I am better equipped with her.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm on last.
Shut your bitch ass up! I need that pumpkin.
What the fuck was that?
Ooh, research. There's a crumb stuck to my finger, but I can't get it off because I'm distracting, so.
What? Is it one of Raymond's gooning?
No!
I
sound sped.
You are sped. You're the definition of sped.
I'm speedy.
No, you're not. You're just straight up stupid.
Well, said I was speedy. Now, let's all join each other to have a dying session.
I died somehow. I don't know how.
Like, are you not in the game anymore?
No, I lost all my hearts all of a sudden, and like I kind of just like
Are you
vanished.
joking?
I kind of just like vanished
Are you
into
joking?
thin air. I kind of just like vanished into thin air.
No, you did. Why is my cat like literally on my shoulder like a parrot?
Cause she's gooning you.
No.
Don't act like.
Okay, well I'll have to let my cat out in the elevator.
By the way, I'm on last.
I'm gonna kill you.
I'm on
No,
last.
you are not.
Look, the same.
You are not on last.
I'm on last.
I wish you were on last. The floors would be going very, very fast if you're on last right now.
Daisy, Daisy,
Give
me your answer.
I'm half crazy of love of you. It won't be a stylish marriage. I can't afford a carriage, but you're sweet upon the seats of the bicycle built for two. What is wrong with me?
I don't know. You're just like dying.
I found a Milky Way.
What the fuck? That sounds gay.
No. I'm just doing it the Milky Way.
Pause.
Teehee.
Pause, you bastard.
The milkier the better.
Fuck. Oh, dude, fuck you. Ain't you meant to be distracting?
I am.
Y'all just hit me.
But I'm literally finding the twisters, bro.
Yada's over by the oh, there we go.
I have her.
And you have tax collector. Fuck.
Mhm. Yeah, I saw that said 1 subscriber, and I had 1 like on my video, but it just like vanished. Just like your dad.
Hey, he's at work. My dad is at work.
How do you know he's at work? How do you know?
I saw him leave for work this morning.
Yeah, you saw him leave, but you haven't seen him since, huh?
He's coming home at 6.
But what if he doesn't?
Then I'm coming to your house and killing you and taking you.
What did I do? Oh my god, you shouldn't have done that. You shouldn't have done that. I was drinking. You shouldn't have done that, because now I lost a heart. This is just rage bait.
By the way, I'm on last.
Your last life.
I can't buy it.
No! He came to tickle his bum.
Yes, I'm
His
blue.
bum.
Mom.
You're a bum.
I'd rip off.
What if, wait, hear me out. What if you had a class with, and you're stuck in this class for like a year, by the way.
Oh.
Your teacher was Miss Simeon. Your classmates was, two of your classmates was Daniel Tiger and Caillou.
I'd commit the unthinkable. Arson. I would throw Miss Simeon out the window. Put a freaking box down Caillou's throat.
Oh my god.
Rip off Daniel Tiger's jaw.
Oh my
And then
god.
burn down the entire building.
Oh my god.
All whilst eating donuts and drinking
By the way,
Starbucks.
there too.
Yeah, but I'm beating him to a pulp.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna beat him to a pulp.
No throwing people out of windows.
Oh. This is like, I only had the Halloween floor without a
Oh,
blackout.
Gigi, I gotta get rid of my med kit.
No!
How about this? What if I just don't distract?
No!
Okay, fine.
I get really paranoid in blackouts without a distractor.
Fine. I could try to distract her, but Gigi, just take it already.
No, Gigi rage baiting you. I took Daniel's little sister's side.
Yeah, because his little sister
It's
is
adorable.
nice. Sylvester, get your booty cheeks back over here.
Are you gonna be cutting this entire conversation out? Oh, fuck!
I'm getting in the elevator, sorry, you're on your own.
You mother!
Why do I kind of sound like...
Who's seeing me?
Poppy. Oh, I got two of them, nice. I'm on 5 hearts. So rested he by the Thompson tree and stood a while in thought.